Photograph of a woman said to be known as Sandra, who was reportedly fatally shot sometime last night by unknown assailants in the vicinity of Red Hills, St. Andrew. The man was shot dead along the Hertford Main Road in the vicinity of Petersfield, Westmoreland on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 26-year-old Romario Grant, otherwise called Dudes, a laborer from the community. Reports from the police are that citizens reportedly heard loud explosions and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, the now deceased was seen lying in a pool of blood, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was assisted to Savannah Mar Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing. A 40-year-old tailor has been charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and assault at common law following an incident in Paradise Norwood in St. James on Saturday, March 2. He is Donald Reed, otherwise called Pam Pam of Paradise, in the parish. According to reports, Reed and another man had a dispute during which Reed allegedly brandished a handgun, pointed it at the man, and threatened to shoot him before leaving the scene. The incident was subsequently reported to the police and Reed was arrested and charged. His court date is being finalized. 2 Jamaicans are to face the court to answer the charges in relation to breaches under the Proceeds of Crime Act after US $70,000 was seized at the Norman Manley International Airport, Kingston on Tuesday, March 12. They are 44-year-old Dina Baker, a mason of Boulders Crescent, Old Harbour, St. Catherine, and 34-year-old Randy K. Blair, a cosmetologist of Harrison Town, St. Anne. Baker and Blair was charged with the following offences: possession of criminal property, cross-border movement of funds, bringing criminal property into Jamaica, concealing criminal property, and conspiracy to bring criminal into Jamaica. Reports are that about 5:40 p.m. Baker and Blair arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport on a flight from the Providence, Turk and Caicos. During security procedures, anomalies were reportedly observed in both of their luggages. As a result, a search was conducted of both their luggage, which reportedly led to the discovery of US $39,828 and US $30,460 inside Baker's and Blair's luggage, respectively. Both monies were allegedly found concealed in jar with hair products.